Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the exact control panel that manages wallpapers because you want direct access to change or remove the desktop background. Right-click the desktop or press Start, then Settings, then Personalization. This gets you to background controls quickly. If you plan to remove a picture, make sure you have admin rights and know whether you'll switch to a solid color or none. Once done, focus on the background type menu so you can replace or clear the current image immediately. Now change the background type to remove the current image. Pick solid color for a uniform look or set background to none if the OS offers that choice. Click Browse only if replacing the file, otherwise select a color and apply. If the wallpaper returns after reboot, there may be an enforce setting. Check Group Policy Editor or the registry key that points to a wallpaper file and remove that path. Make sure to apply and save so changes persist across sessions. Finish by restarting Explorer or simply rebooting to ensure the desktop reflects the removal. Sometimes the change takes effect only after a restart. Make sure synced settings in your cloud or Microsoft account aren't reapplying the wallpaper across devices. Disable sync if needed. If the wallpaper still returns, undo any registry edits you made and check for corporate policies. As a troubleshooting tip, create a system restore point before changing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.